points. 1, 2, 3. These are the key 3 points that you need to have in contact with the ground. 1, 2, 3. Now the tension runs up from these 3 points through the leg and up across the body to the other arm. So actually Julia can now feel a line of tension running all the way from this arm through the shoulder, down through the hips and into these 3 points. So she is anchoring and rooting that movement. By opening the knees, this is wanting to lift up. And this point here wants to come off the ground. So she holds that point down. So now she still has her 6, 3 on each foot, and it comes through the knee and rest. So we step, 1, 2, 3, and kick. Step, and kick. You come back, you go down to come forward. Excellent, good. Same principle. Here, again, my weight, my intention is going down into my back foot to come up. Good. Try once more. And you can keep going in this one direction until you get tired or dizzy, and then rest. Left foot around. You can try to keep the body up and the eyes up, so you're no longer looking at your feet. By stepping around is something like this, yeah? To come here, inside, across, inside. Or we go the opposite way, left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot. Good. So if we try to put the arms here and then left foot, right, or the opposite, right foot, left. I'm going to put my back to my opponent now. So I come in here and this way. I come behind her. Got to go for my foot. Try and get it. Hit. Smaller step. Small. That's it. And open. Good. Lean on the front foot. That's it. Together. Open. Yes. Good. One more. Together. Open. Excellent. Excellent. Very good. And rest. To create new proprioceptor cells. So you're actually changing the cellular structure inside those joints. And as they get more proprioceptor cells, then obviously your proprioception improves. Wild animals have better proprioception than us. When a cat is walking, it can lift its front legs over the obstacle. It doesn't need to look back. It can always lift its back legs over the obstacle without looking to see where it is. Its body knows where it is. Through practice of Kalari, you will improve your proprioception.